he can't lock the door here, then he'll go to all your rooms.
Sir, that's his choice. But I'm
Correct.
telling
No,
you is
sir.
there are others in the house who
Correct.
shouldn't feel uncomfortable because we
Correct.
know what is happening behind the
That
doors.
is. Hi, my name is Amit Agrawal.
So my name is Rohit Agarwal.
My name is Rajgopal.
Hey, my name is Lakshit Harkut.
मेरा नाम अशोक कुमार है.
Hi, my name is Prashant.
Not with the opposite sex. With the friends when they get in at certain age, after a certain age, I get in, you bring in a girl with you and go and lock the door. That I think I'll not be
Support.
okay with that.
See, I have to be okay with that because if he can't lock the door here, then he'll go to all your rooms.
Sir, that's his choice. But I'm
Correct.
telling
No,
you is
sir.
there are others in the house who
Correct.
shouldn't feel uncomfortable because we
Correct.
know what is happening behind the
That is
doors.
true. I'm saying that is a different
Once-
parenting style, right?
Once I know what is happening behind the doors, you go and take the girl to. If I don't stop you now, and if you're not in the right direction, today you will bring one girl, tomorrow you'll bring 10 girls. Now that I can't allow in my house. So under
Okay.
those circumstances,
Hmm.
I'm not okay with my son or my kid closing the door and doing some things which are not right for him or her.
At what age?
Yeah, at that
At any
age
age,
wherein they
any age,
understand.
हाँ.
At
Since
that age
let us
wherein
say
they
if your
understand.
समझ आ
child,
तब.
if your
Yes.
child is 21
Yeah.
and your child brings in a person of opposite gender,
Yes.
can he or she lock the door?
No.
Okay.
You
That
can't.
is where we differ.
That you can't
That
lock the
also is
door
not
in
a-
my house,
हाँ,
please,
I think that
because
is we differ
yeah,
there.
that is
कि किसी और को
yeah.
हाँ, okay.
भी अपने घर पे.
If you are going in and locking the door, at least tell me why are you locking the door. At least we go out of the house.
Yeah. That is why I
That's
agree
all.
to. No, I agree to
That's
that.
all.
I agree to that.
That's all. As much as I respect your privacy,
Yeah.
you respect my privacy. As much I respect your choices, you respect my choices. That's all. Simple as that.
If she is doing yoga or meditation or studying some subjects seriously and she wants to lock the door, it's okay.
Definitely.
That should be there.
Definitely.
That should be there.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I am completely satisfied and in line with what Amit's thought is. So the trust factor matters a lot. Obviously, when you're within a family, there are certain boundaries. When that boundary exceeds, for example, when he said that you're not married, you're getting opposite sex inside the house. There's a family inside. There are so many situations where you feel completely uncomfortable.
Yeah.
या भी हमारे सामने और हमारे पीछे से पता नहीं क्या क्या होता है.
Correct.
अगर पासवर्ड दे तो चेक कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो
आज के
कुछ
दिन
भी
कोई
नहीं.
password
आज की
नहीं
डेट
देता.
में पासवर्ड देते हैं.
I don't think कोई husband अपने wife को भी password देता
देता होगा. वो बात तो सही है.
I think that it is very important.
Important,
to
but-
check your child's phone. It is very important.
Important.
In fact, I even control what they see, what they not see. There is a app called as Family Link by Google, where I can monitor what app they're watching, what content they are watching, to monitor it. Because what happens is there's a lot of cyberbullying which can happen. There can be financial frauds which can happen, and they can be getting the wrong information. It is my responsibility.
बोलते हैं ना जब पौधा बड़ा हो रहा है,
हाँ.
आप पौधा सीड अंदर डालते हो.
हाँ.
अब जब तक वो पौधा धीरे धीरे करके बड़ा हो रहा है, जैसे झुकाओगे पौधा झुकेगा.
हाँ.
पेड़ बन के उसके बाद आप कुछ भी कोशिश करो नहीं होगा.
नहीं झुकेगा.
तो जरूरी है जब वो बचपन
में सब कुछ
जरूरी
सिखा लो.
है.
Sir,
तो
I think-
मारना physical abuse is not.
ना अगर ना माने
Physical,
तो
मतलब
हाँ,
ऐसे
ना
मारना
माने
पीटने की बात नहीं कर रहे.
माने फालतू मारने की बात नहीं कर रहा.
फालतू नहीं
जिस
सर,
चीज़ की-
कैसे भी मारने की बात नहीं है.
जिस चीज की अपन को सोच लेनी है उसके पास से,
हाँ.
तो वो सही नहीं कर रहा है तो उसको
Sir, there are many
उसको-
other ways, sir, apart
बोल
from hitting
के
the
भी
child.
नहीं बोल के भी कर सकते हैं. नहीं है तो फिर
हाँ.
देखिए,
नहीं, sir,
बता
then
सकते
then we should consider ourselves to be a failure because physical abuse is one of the last resorts wherein weak people tend to accept it. That okay, अगर मारूंगा नहीं पीटूंगा नहीं तब ये बात नहीं मानेगा मेरी. So I strongly don't support.
If you try to
hitting.
understand why somebody hits a child, somebody hits a child saying that you have done something wrong, and because you've done something wrong, there will be consequences. So you should learn to do the right thing, right? So as long as this objective is being achieved by not hitting, it's better than reaching this objective with hitting, right? Some people can reach this objective by scolding. Some people can reach this objective just by discussing. The way can be many. It can be hitting, it can be scolding, it can be discussing, or it can be anything else. It can be your privilege, cutting your privileges. But okay, if you don't finish your homework today, then you're not going down to play.
Yes.
Or if you're
Yeah.
not finishing it, then we are not going to watch a movie. it can be equally or in some cases more effective than hitting.
Yes.
So then you have to see that what other options are available so that you can.
I
get
think
out of
it
the
also
problem.
depends on parenting styles. I'm
Yeah.
sure all of us sitting in this room, we got hit by our parents at some point of our life.
Yeah.
But today,
that should be
we
today
will not
also
hit our
like this
kids.
only.
क्योंकि हमने
Yeah.
मार खाया था, हम नहीं चाहते हमारे बच्चे मार खाए. वो पेरेंटिंग स्टाइल्स के ऊपर डिपेंड
नहीं,
है.
आज के डेट में तो कोई मारता ही नहीं है.
हाँ,
ठीक है कि भाई अपन
exactly.
को वो नहीं समझ रहा है तो मारना जरूरी है.
सर
लेकिन
स्कूल में जाते थे, माँ बाप बोलते थे बच्चों को मारो दो.
तो
और
आज
ढोल
हाथ तो
बजाओ।
लगा के दिखाओ अब.
हाथ ही नहीं लगा सकते ना, तकलीफ है.
क्यों लगाना सर, हमारे बच्चे हमसे ज्यादा एडवांस है.
जरूर.
बोलेंगे तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं कि अगर हम लोग सही तरीके से नहीं बोले
नहीं, ऑलरेडी
बच्चे समझेंगे नहीं. इफ वी टॉक इन अ वे kids understand,
Yeah.
there is no point and there is no way you can hit a kid. There is
There's no necessity to hit.
there is no justification
Yeah.
for that at all.
Yeah.
If my kid is not listening, even when I'm talking to him in ways what I feel is correct, then my ways of feeling what I'm telling right is wrong,
Yeah.
वो भी हो सकता है ना.
right? So we'll have to figure out certain ways wherein my kid will understand, because communication is starting from my side, not from his side.
No, I do not agree with hitting the child at all. We have to make them understand that what he or she is doing wrong, and we should teach them. That's all. Hitting is the last resort.
But do you think this varies between the gender? Maybe if the kid is male or female, does that vary?
No, equally. Whether it is a boy or girl, we should treat them equally.
Equally.
In this regard also.
No, it's a step-by-step approach, as Amit sir told. It's a step-by-step approach. Obviously, let's discuss. If not, then cut the privileges, and if not, then at the last resort this should come.
No, which also brings to the point that if we are not able to communicate or tell a person in a certain way and that person is not listening, the last resort is hitting. So we go on hitting people who don't listen to us. Is that what we are trying to say?
You
Correct.
better your communication.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
You
trying
go
to
to a
tell, sir.
parenting workshop or try
Yeah.
to see why go to an effective communication class.
Yeah.
Right? Your communication is not
Yeah,
good. Learn
go.
it. Yeah.
Go, that's all.
Yeah.
Today my kid is not listening to me.
Yeah.
Tomorrow my elder parents are not listening to me. Now what will I do? Hitting is the last resort. Go hit your parents.
Yeah.
No, that's
No,
that's
all of
something
this
not
violence
justified.
happening today is
Yeah.
because one community feels that the other community doesn't understand them, so let us hit them.
Yeah.
Right? That is what is
That
resulting
is-
into violence.
that starts
Because
from
they
the
don't believe in their beliefs. So let's hit them
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's the seed of that sows from here.
from here. Yeah. Totally believe in it. I am myself a mental health advocate. I have suffered with a depression, and I have taken consultation from a psychiatrist as well as from a therapist. And after I got healed, I made it a mission in my life that I will not let any other life suffer. So I regularly conduct sessions in my societies, and I tell people that I've gone through it. So I am there to assist you whenever you go through it. So very, very important.
See, physical wounds can be seen, but mental wounds can't be seen, and people tend to neglect it a lot.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's very important for my kid that I am his or her psychologist. So whatever your problems are, please come to me, talk to me. We'll discuss the solutions. If I'm not able to solve it, I'll take you to someone else to discuss your problems. But the thing is, going to a psychologist or psychiatrist is very important.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I was also taken to psychiatrist twice because of depression only. Because my father forced me to science stream when I was interested in commerce.
Yeah.
That happened. I was not interested in science, and science also did not click, and commerce also, and I was not able to.
वहाँ
जैसा
नहीं.
कि सर ने कहा कि इनको साइंस लेना था, अब इनको कॉमर्स
कॉमर्स
लेना
लेना था
था,
लेकिन
पड़ा.
साइंस मिल गया.
वो अभी ये इनके हाथ में नहीं है, वो आ गया.
Sir,
और ये किसी ना किसी से तो
Yeah.
बात करनी है ना इनको.
हाँ.
अगर इनका दिमाग का बोझ हल्का करना है, किसी ना किसी से तो
तभी-
इनको बात करनी है.
तभी
That's
तो
where
बोल रहा हूँ,
psychologist
स्ट्रेस
comes
ना
in.
ले. स्ट्रेस लेंगे तो
सर देखो स्ट्रेस
स्ट्रेस
लेना
लेने
या
का
ना
कारण ही
लेना
सब कुछ है.
तो स्ट्रेस लेना या ना लेना चॉइस नहीं
choice
होती है नहीं
Yes,
होती
happens.
that's not a
It doesn't
choice.
happen.
It just happens.
सपोज इधर अ चाइल्ड
Hmm.
एंड वन ऑफ हिज पेरेंट पासेस अवे
हाँ.
तो फिर स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा क्या डिप्रेशन नहीं होगा क्या यू कांट कंट्रोल इट ना
डिप्रेशन में मत जाइए.
अरे सर
स्ट्रेस तो लेना ही है.
कैसे
जब
नहीं
जब आप
सर,
स्ट्रेस लेते
डिप्रेशन
हो
में कैसे
तब डिप्रेशन तो
हम
आएगा ही.
Human beings, as sir.
सर डिप्रेशन में
Yes.
कैसे नहीं जाना है
हाँ,
यदि वो आ जाए
वो
ना
चाहिए.
फिर तो सभी बुद्ध बन जाएंगे फिर तो
Yeah, exactly, sir.
Yeah.
We are humans and
Yeah,
we have
nobody
brains.
goes, sir. Nobody goes there. You are being pushed into that
That's all.
without a conscious choice.
So at
Yeah.
that point of time, when we know that we are being pushed there without our conscious choice,
You can't.
what we can do is बोझ हल्का करो. That is the simple thing what
तो
people
किसी
say.
और को बात करके खत्म करो ना
Exactly.
matter
So
नहीं।
that
बात
person
करो
can
बट
be-
खत्म नहीं होगा
हाँ।
You
बात
can
बात
talk.
करेंगे तो ही खत्म होगा ना
नहीं
उसके
होगा
बाद
बात
सर।
करने से खत्म नहीं
नहीं
होगा
होता है,
सर,
सर।
ट्रीट करने से खत्म होता
हाँ।
है
तो
वो.
ट्रीट करो
You should have
हाँ,
solutions.
treat भी कर सकते हो,
हाँ.
वो
Treat
बात
करो।
अभी
Psychiatrist
बोलूंगा
लेते
मेरे
हैं।
हाथ में यार कट लगा, इससे जितना भी बात करो ये हील नहीं
Heal
होगा
नहीं
सर.
होगा.
है। तो
It
स्विच
won't
कराना
heal.
पड़ेगा आपको।
हाँ,
हाँ,
स्विच करना पड़ेगा ना.
switch
वैसे
करना-
मेंटल अगर कुछ वुंड हो गया,
हाँ
then we'll have to treat
Treat
that.
it.
Just mere talking won't help.
Won't help, yeah.
So I have never been to any psychiatrist, okay, and I think that there are some levels of this. So the first level would be your parents and sensible relatives. Second level would be your friends, okay, and the third level would be at the very end stage when they can't cure you. Then you should meet a psychiatrist, because I think that the power of healing naturally भगवान हमें देता है. ऐसा नहीं है दो इंसान बात करेंगे, अगर किसी को किसी की समझ आ गई तो वो हील होता है. मतलब दे डोंट नीड स्पेशलिस्ट एट स्टेज 1, ओके. आप यू टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स, योर दैट्स व्हाट आई एम अगेन कोटिंग सेंसिबल रिलेटिव्स. यू कोट जिनसे आप कंफर्टेबल होते हो बात करने में. यू आर टॉकिंग टू योर वन कजन सिस्टर कि हाँ भाई, मीन्स एज इन आई कैन शेयर वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट टू विद हर, वो क्योर हो जाता है. Then obviously you have so many friends, you have besties, you have everything. If you think you can talk to them and they cure your mental wellness, they can. And then if at the end stage it is required, then obviously you should visit a psychiatrist.
Well, on a certain scale, I would say that men as a gender are being ignored from a particular point of time. That
Laws are made favoring
talking
women.
about men's any problems, may it
Yeah.
be mental problem, physical, financial problems, economical problems, whatever it is. If men talk about their problems, they are considered weak.
Hmm.
So from that perspective, I would say that okay, men chose not to talk about their problems and hence they are being ignored.
Yeah,
I'll
see,
just give you a small example.
Yeah.
We celebrate Mother's Day so much.
yeah.
Have you ever seen anybody celebrating Father's Day?
I mean, we do, but Mother's Day is more. Like
It's so glamorous.
International Women's Day versus International Men's Day, right? And मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता.
That statement
होता
is
है यार, मर्द को भी
बहुत
दर्द होता
बहुत
है.
गलत स्टेटमेंट है.
बहुत
ना?
गलत statement.
आप किसी के सामने बैठ के दो बात कर रहे हो, रो रहे हो,
अरे तो
बंदा वीक
तो
है.
क्या आप मर्द है,
हाँ,
रोता है
weak
क्या?
है, हाँ.
So,
We are all men, we are talking like that.
Yeah.
If you two women sit there, what will they talk?
We are planning for a next episode.
no, so I'm saying that
should be
yes,
there.
Actually, this question should be asked to
Ourselves-
females.
Female
Yeah.
with
Exactly.
gents.
हाँ.
This question should be asked to
So
women.
I feel that equity or gender equality means that both the gender are same. One gender is not stronger, one gender is not weaker.
Yeah.
They both feel the pain same way.
Exactly.